In this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn how to use the shutdown command. Shutdown command is used in normal, immediate, and transactional modes. Let's learn how these modes work by doing examples. At the end of the video, you will fully learn the details of the shutdown modes. I open the SQL Plus program as system admin. I can query the status of the instance. Instance is currently open. I connect to the database using the SQL Developer program with the system user in the system admin role. We will make examples to learn how shutdown modes work. While the database is being shut down, many users may be connected to the system. These users may be running many transactions at the same time. In this case, it is important in which shutdown mode we will shut down the database. Let's do an example. I am querying the employees table. I will update all rows in the salary column in the table. I have just started a transaction. I did not commit or roll back. Now the data in the table has changed. I'm rolling back the transaction. The changes have been reverted. What I want to show here is that no automatic commit is made after the update transaction. Now I'm doing the update again. I did not commit or roll back. I shut down the database in normal mode. But the database does not close. Because two situations must occur for the database to close with a normal shutdown. First, all transactions must end with a commit or rollback. Second, all users must disconnect from the system. When these two situations occur, the database may close. Additionally, when the shutdown normal command is entered, new connections to the database are not allowed. First, I end the transaction with rollback. But still the database does not close. Because the user is still connected. I am disconnecting from the database. Now the database is closed. Now I will try shutdown transactional mode. First, I start the database in open mode. I connect to the database again. As you can see, the previous update transaction ended with rollback. I am doing the update again. I shut down the database in transactional mode. The database is not closed yet. Because there are some conditions for the shutdown operation to occur in transactional mode. First, all transactions that have started must end with a commit or rollback. New connections are not allowed when the shutdown transactional command is entered. Existing connections cannot initiate new transactions. Users do not need to disconnect from the system. When shutting down in normal mode, the users themselves had to disconnect from the database. If shutdown is done in transactional mode, users are automatically disconnected by the system. Now I end the transaction with rollback. Database started to shut down. Finally, I will close the database in shutdown immediate mode. First, I start the database in open mode. I reconnect to the database. I'm starting the update transaction. I will shut down the database in immediate mode. Transactions that started immediately when the database was shut down are automatically rolled back. New users cannot connect to the system. Existing users cannot initiate new transactions. Additionally, existing users are automatically disconnected by the system. Therefore, the shutdown process starts as soon as the command is entered. Let's see whether the rollback process is done or not. I'm starting the database. I am connecting to the database. As you can see, the update transaction was automatically rolled back. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.